Judith.
Forwarded message.
Hi, Greg. This is Judith. I just opened a letter from the bank, and it's a trial period plan that started in March. I'm so happy about it. It's a big hope for me. I just want to let you know that I will email you this letter. I just got in the mail. And so I just wanted to call you and let you know that. Thank you, Greg. I'm very happy. I'll talk to you later. You can call on my cellular, 9544835. Bye, Greg.